Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today I bring you again another review. So this is one of the newest models from AK, and this is 135 scale, right? So this is the FJ43 SUV with the R top, okay? And the serial number of this is the 35001. Alright, so this is a hover of 117 plastic parts, high detail interior, front and wheels, optional steering, decals for 3 painting marking options, and the actual model may vary from the artist's redemption on the box. Okay, so the art box is really awesome. It's made by Rodna, and as you can see, it's a nice box. So we got here the variations we can do on this, okay, and of course I'm going to do it like we have here on the box art. The thing I like on this box art, it's the rust, okay. Of course you guys know me about rust, so let's see what we can do. Okay, so let's open this. So one side, okay, and let's put this right here. Okay, so we got here all the plastic on the back. Okay, we are going to see that a little later. And we got here the instruction manual. We got here the decals. This is I'm going to show you later more. And we got here some erratum in the instructions, so guys see this because this was made later about the manual, and this is the right corrections we are going to have here. So let's put this away right there. So remember to see this is very important. Okay, now on this model, the first thing I'm going to show you, it's the die cut painting masks for painting the cabin, glass and headlights. So AK put this on market and you can buy separately, and we got here the instructions how to put this. So for the headlights we got here this round things you put around, and then we use like this the liquid muskets for to put in the middle. So if you are buying this, remember to buy this like us, and they are very cheap and they are really nice for this. Okay, it saves you lots of time. Okay, the decals, we got here the decals, and you guys can see it. It's a nice decals. They are soft, they are not too much thick, and I like it. So now let's put this away and let's open this bag. Okay, on this bag it's good because we have this one you can open and close again later. The nice one. Remove this. Okay, so this is a nice airing for this. See, yeah, all the bags are like that, so really awesome. So we are going to grab the big sprue, and we got one sprue, you see, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sprues, another sprue for the clear parts, and the other sprues we are going to see for what it's for. So let's open the big one. So this is going to be really nice for a model I have do in the rack. I start the diorama, and this is going to be perfect for that. So we got here the parts. Let me put some nice glasses. Okay, and they really look awesome, guys. Really nice. We got here the side of the SUV. We got here the front. We're going to have the headlights, the doors, all the parts, and they are with a very nice detail. I like it. Some front fenders. We got here the dashboards. Really nice. And I like it. Yes, it's going to be a pleasure to make this. Okay, so this is the big one, and you can see here some parts of the benches, and yeah, really nice details. It's some painting work, it's good. You see here the chassis, it's almost one piece, really awesome. Saves lots of time to make this, and we have details on the back, on the front, on the. It's really nice. So now let's grab another bag. Okay. So wait. And we got here more parts. So here we see some of little parts. Okay, we got here the extension on all the muffler. Okay, nice parts, some suspensions, the wheel drive, more suspensions, and there are lots of pieces. I'm going to see how it's go. The shifts. Okay, and yes, they're really nice. I think the molds, and this is not a very fragile plastic. This is good. This is nice. So the sprue. So now we got the sprue for the wheels. Okay, the wheels is going to be in a construction. And let's see how it goes. So I think we got here two type of different wheels. And the rims are awesome, guys. You see the detail? Really nice. Oh yeah. So another screw. Now let's open the other. It's going to be right here. Oh, careful. More screws, more screws, more screws. Okay, we got here more parts. The fender and the grill for the front, and there are some hooks right here, and as you can see, guys, really good, the details. I like it. One. So more parts. This, I think it's the rear bench. Okay, and even here we got nice details when you are doing the weathering. Okay, all right, more. The roof, you can see here, and the sides, and more doors. Okay, so we got another different parts. We got here the interior of the doors. So you can see the details. Really nice. Really nice. So far I am liking. Okay, now we got this. I think it's going to be 4 plates. And finally, I'm not going to remove from the bag. It's the clear part. And as you can see, really really nice. So now let's take a quick view of the instruction manual and let's see how it goes. So we got this in two languages, in English and Spanish, and we got here on the front all the info for assembling this kit. Now you can see here on the first page, let me just go a little more closer, okay, and like this, okay. So we got here all the screws we got, and we are going to use almost everything, just not these two doors, okay. We got here with the blue pink thing, it's these two and these two, okay. So this is the interiors of the door. And now here on down we got here the colors for using, and we got here for real colors and for acrylics, and they are here all you are going to use. And we got here two for extreme metal, for some metal parts, okay. So now here the construction starts here on the manual with the wheels, okay. You see the how to make it 5, okay, because it's going to be a spare wheel on the back. We start with the chassis. We got here all the muffler, then we got here more parts, the differential, putting with the springs, okay, of the suspension. We got here some detailed view, it's nice for you to see. Oops, like here. Continuing more differential here, and continue working in all the chassis. Right, so here more parts from suspensions, as you can see, and we got all the parts we need to paint, and it's a very nice good info right here. So now here the windshields assemble. We got here on the back cargo, then assemble the driver details. We got here all the parts we are going to use. It now here the fuel tank, nice, and more working, putting the side of the SUV. Then we got here the dashboard installation, okay. Let me see if that goes, okay, nice. And so lots of parts it's going to be painted out, okay, of the vehicle, and it's much easier. The grill seats installation, we got here the drive seat assemble, nice. The steering wheel assemble, okay, we got here this drive thing, and of course the position it's going to be. We got here seats and wood installation, nice. Colors for this. Now here fenders and running board assemble, good. So there are lots of parts you can make paint out and then put together, really nice. The wheel installations, okay, you can do that at the end. We got here the clear parts, the paint you are going to use for the windshield and lights and the other detailed installation. The front headlight spotting installation, okay, really nice. Now we got here the cabin assemble. There are lots of parts. Nice. Driver's door, passenger door, okay, so this is all really easy. The rear seats, like I show you on that sprue. The vehicle base color, okay, this you got all of things explained really nice here. We got here the rear bumper. Okay, the installation of the parts. Good, good, good. And at the end you put this at the end, so it's nice for you working too. So we got here the templates for the making masking product. Asking if you want to do it, but even here it's really nice. We got here the wiper pads. It's really nice if you want to put some of this on your vehicle. So we got now 3 choices, okay, of making this. We got this. It's the 18 mechanized briquettes, Iraq Revolution War and Gulf War 1991. So I'm going to put this with the T55 on the diorama, and I'm going to make this one. Okay, this is it's got on the box art. We got this one too. This is the 3rd Armored Division, Saladin, Iraq Army Gulf War in 1991. It's nice. I like it, but I'm going to that because the camouflage on the other one, it's really it's similar to what I have on my tank. And we got this one. This one is very nice. It's TV press vehicle on the 80s, and TV from TV. Okay, TV press. Okay, it's a good thing. So we got this one. It's really nice from some of the dioramas we make. Okay, so the ends of this. So let me put this away again. So we got this a lot of things happen. So, and this one, guys, I'm going to make this on my Patreon for you guys to see. So of course I'm going to put the photos of the assemble. So sorry, remove. Okay, it's a thyroid. Okay, it's good. So, and here it is, a really nice model plastic kit for making, and this is going to give me lots of ganas to make it. Okay, so guys, thank you very much for watching. If you have something to say or ask, just ask me here on the video or on my Facebook, and of course I catch you later on the next video. Bye guys.